Have you ever stared at your bank account balance, perplexed by its dwindling numbers, and wondered, how did that happen? Perhaps you've often pondered the mysterious vanishing act of your hard-earned money each month. Prepare to be captivated by valuable insights that will transform your financial perspective forever. Today, we invite you on an eye-opening journey as we reveal 5 bad habits that could be sabotaging your financial freedom. Number 1. Using credit cards. One of the primary factors that can hinder your financial growth is excessive dependence on credit cards, or in some instances, multiple credit cards. Regardless of our feelings toward credit cards, they undeniably play a significant role in our financial lives. They facilitate effortless spending and offer the allure of purchasing items that might otherwise be beyond our means. It is no surprise that by 2019, Americans had accumulated over $1 trillion in credit card debt, a clear reflection of how our economy thrives on credit. Constant exposure to persuasive advertisements and commercials encouraging us to spend money we don't possess further exacerbates the situation, leaving many individuals trapped in a cycle of credit dependency. A recent study revealed that the average American family carries around $16,000 in credit card debt, emphasizing the scale of the issue. While credit cards can be beneficial in emergency situations, they often create a deceptive illusion of having more money available than we truly possess, leading to impulsive and reckless spending. To counteract this tendency, it is wise to adopt a simple yet powerful rule when it comes to shopping: use cash. Cash reigns as the ultimate method of responsible spending. When you shop with cash, you are naturally constrained by the amount you possess in hand, preventing any potential overspending. Moreover, humans have an inherent selfish inclination even when it comes to our own money. This self-preservation instinct can be an advantage when utilizing cash for purchases. The tangible nature of cash makes us more cautious and prudent with our spending, as we prefer not to part with or squander our hard-earned money. By embracing this approach, you can break free from the credit rut and develop a more conscientious and thoughtful relationship with your finances. As you gradually shift your reliance from credit cards to cash, you'll discover a newfound sense of control over your expenses, paving the way for financial stability and freedom. Remember, being prudent with your spending is not a sign of deprivation, but rather a pathway to empowering yourself and attaining long-term financial prosperity. So, next time you find yourself contemplating a purchase, consider reaching for cash instead of credit and witness the transformative power it holds in reshaping your financial journey. Number 2. Spontaneous shopping. A fascinating study conducted by SlickDeals.net delved into the spending habits of 2,000 American consumers, revealing a remarkable insight. On average, consumers make spontaneous purchases amounting to approximately $450 per month, which translates to a staggering $5,400 annually. These impromptu buying decisions primarily revolve around various categories, including food and groceries, clothing, household items, and more. However, the allure of immediate purchases often leads to buyer's remorse in the future, leaving many wondering why they succumb to such temptations when these items are unnecessary. Upon inspecting our homes, we often find numerous products that remain untouched and unused. Consider the exercise equipment gathering dust in the garage, the gadgets hidden away in the kitchen cupboards, or the excess clothing occupying our wardrobes, all representing impulsive purchases we could have done without. The question arises, why do we give in to these impulsive buying impulses even when we know we don't need these items? The answer lies in the powerful influence of our subconscious minds. Spotting a great deal triggers an instinctive response, urging us to act swiftly before the opportunity slips away or the product becomes unavailable. Retailers and manufacturers expertly capitalize on this aspect of human behavior to encourage more purchases. In light of this, adopting prudent shopping practices becomes essential. Carrying a well-prepared shopping list acts as a guiding law, ensuring we stay focused on what we truly need. Furthermore, relying on cash for transactions, except when necessary, helps curb excessive spending and avoids accumulating debt through credit cards. To maintain a balanced approach, it's crucial not to fight against our innate tendencies. For instance, avoiding grocery shopping while hungry prevents us from being enticed by unnecessary purchases. Instead, heading to the store with a satisfied stomach ensures we make more rational choices. By understanding the psychological underpinnings behind impulsive buying and taking proactive steps to manage our shopping behaviors, we can regain control over our spending habits, ultimately leading to more mindful and rewarding consumer experiences. Number 3. Not investing. In the pursuit of wealth and prosperity, many of us have been raised to believe in the path of frugal living, diligently saving our hard-earned money and relying on those savings during retirement. While saving money is undoubtedly a prudent practice and a cornerstone of wealth building, it often becomes the end of the road for most individuals. However, the truth is that merely saving money will not lead to the accumulation of substantial fortunes. If we envision every dollar as a diligent little worker, diligently toiling on our behalf, it becomes apparent that we need to put these dollars to work in a way that maximizes their potential earnings. This is where the concept of investing emerges as a game changer. Investing, in a sense, involves channeling your money into assets and ventures that have the potential to grow and generate additional income over time. Instead of spending money on items that gradually lose value and end up discarded in a landfill, such as cars, electronics, or designer clothing, consider directing your funds towards opportunities that can reap higher returns. Assets like stocks, rental properties, bonds, or even establishing a side hustle business. By placing your money strategically into these investment avenues, you effectively enable each dollar to become a productive little entity working relentlessly to multiply your wealth. These investments become your reliable sources of passive income, generating steady streams of money that can eventually sustain your lifestyle without the necessity of a traditional 9-to-5 job. Imagine being free from the constraints of daily employment, liberated to pursue your passions and dreams while your investments dutifully yield profits. The allure of financial independence becomes an irresistible beacon, guiding you through the labyrinth of investment opportunities. Nonetheless, the world of investing is not without its challenges and risks. It demands a thorough understanding of market dynamics, a keen eye for promising prospects, and the ability to make informed decisions. The journey to financial empowerment may seem daunting, but with proper research, guidance, and patience, the rewards can be remarkable. Number 4. Not budgeting. The practice of budgeting is widely recognized as an indispensable tool for various entities like schools, businesses, governments, and sports teams. Yet, remarkably, when it comes to their personal finances, individuals often neglect this crucial aspect. Budgeting, with its powerful and effective potential, can lead to substantial improvements in managing one's finances by reducing expenses, setting clear goals, and establishing financial limits. Imagine having a clear and comprehensive view of your income and expenses, understanding precisely how your money flows. Budgeting provides this very advantage, enabling you to make informed decisions on managing and investing your hard-earned money. By giving you the ability to prioritize spending, it empowers you to allocate funds to what truly matters to you, be it aspirations, dreams, or long-term plans. A budget not only provides a roadmap for your financial journey, but also serves as a personal financial audit. You can thoroughly assess your financial standing, foreseeing how much money you'll have at the end of each month. Unveiling this knowledge is not only eye-opening, but also allows you to identify areas of potential overspending where adjustments can be made to enhance your financial stability. Regrettably, many people overlook the importance of budgeting, resulting in inadvertent overspending and unwelcome debt. However, by embracing this vital practice, you can gain control over your finances and steer clear of financial pitfalls. The prospect of fiscal independence and prudent money management lies within the grasp of those who are willing to seize it. Number 5. Not improving your skills. Unlocking the full potential of our innate talents and capabilities is a path that holds the promise of greatness. Yet, more often than not, we find ourselves succumbing to the allure of passivity, indulging in mindless television, aimless internet scrolling, and other distractions that erode the precious hours of our days. But amidst the noise and temptations lies an extraordinary opportunity to embark on a transformative journey of self-improvement and skill enhancement, paving the way for remarkable achievements. Imagine a world where every moment spent honing your skills becomes a stepping stone towards a brighter future. Embracing the art of freelancing, venturing into entrepreneurship, or pursuing that long-awaited promotion at your job, the avenues to elevate our skills are abundant and limitless. The beauty of this pursuit lies not only in its potential to shape our careers, but also in the profound impact it has on our overall growth and development. Delightfully, the possibilities to sharpen our talents extend far beyond the confines of a restrictive budget. Countless resources beckon us with open arms, offering their treasures for free. Online courses, webinars, and tutorials cater to various interests and aspirations, seamlessly guiding us along the path to mastery. Whether it's a programming language you wish to learn, a creative craft you long to excel in, or a managerial finesse you aspire to acquire, the digital realm generously provides a bounty of knowledge and wisdom. Yet, the grandeur of this quest for self-improvement lies not merely in the wealth of options, but in the joy of personalization. Each of us can craft a unique trajectory, aligning our pursuits with our deepest passions and ambitions. As we delve into the intricacies of our chosen domains, we find ourselves irresistibly drawn into the wonders they offer. The allure of mastering a skill lies not solely in the financial rewards it may bring, but in the profound sense of accomplishment and satisfaction that accompanies it. Gone are the days when we timidly shield away from asking for what we deserved. Armed with newfound expertise, we confidently approach the negotiating table, knowing that our worth has soared along with our skills. The road to self-improvement may be paved with dedication and effort, but the rewards it bestows are immeasurable, both in terms of monetary gain and personal fulfillment. So, let us seize this moment to embark on a journey of growth, to unearth the hidden gems within ourselves, and to unlock the door to a future where our skills flourish and our aspirations know no bounds. Which of these bad habits do you struggle with the most in managing your finances? Let us know your answers in the comments below.